how to delete all Facebook Messenger conversations. So if you want to delete all of your Facebook Messenger conversations at once, then if you want to delete that from your mobile device, then you won't have an option to delete all of the Facebook Messenger conversations at once. So if you want to delete that individually, then you can open up your Messenger application. Once you've opened the Messenger, now you need to simply tap and hold on to that message. And if you want to delete the message, tap on delete and your message will be deleted, or your conversation will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Facebook Messenger conversations individually. But if you want to delete all of the conversations, then it's not possible from your mobile device. You can do that from your laptop or your PC. So that's it. That's how you can delete all of your Facebook Messenger conversations. So that's it for now. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.